you traveling to Germany for a vacation or a job or a college education, or have you elected German language in school? Do you wish to enhance your German language skills so that you can feel a part of their culture? Then this free workshop is just for you. In this workshop, I will cover some of the concepts like how to say yes or no, how to greet somebody, how to say goodbye, or how to say good morning, good day, and goodbyes to everyone. And I will also cover some of the useful short phrases like excuse me, thank you, please, you are welcome, no problem, or where is the toilet, or airport, or this particular address. I will also tell you like how to order food in restaurants, like I would like to have a pizza or a coffee, and while shopping, what is the cost or what is the price. And I will also tell you like some common words and phrases used in offices and by students, like how to greet formally and informally. And we will also focus on numbers 1 to 10. And if you still have fear of der, die, das and want to clear all the basic grammar concepts with correct pronunciation of German words, then this workshop is for you only. Apart from this, we will also cover some cultural topics which will help you to familiarize with Germany, like Oktoberfest and others. You will also know about some of the universities of Germany and their education system, as education is free there. And how can you miss the tourist attraction, as Germany is full of wonderful places to visit and also full of history. So what are you waiting for? Just fill out your contact information in the form below. See you there. Auf Wiedersehen.